Hello, and welcome to this screencast on the new City Vision Internship portal. I'm going to be telling you about some of the features of how to use this portal for site directors. The main topics that we're going to be covering are how to reset your password on the site, how to log in, how to get to the list of candidates, how to drill down to search for the kind of candidate that you want, how to view the candidate detail record and download the resume, how to contact candidates, and how to change the password once you're logged in. There are some additional topics as well that I'll be covering in a later screencast. So thank you. To get started, the first topic I want to cover is how to reset the password. In order to do that, you first will want to be on our site, christianvolunteering.org. So you can see that up here in the URL bar. Once you're on christianvolunteering.org, you want to go to the My Account tab. Then once you're on the My Account tab, in order to reset your password, click on the Reset Password link in the blue menu bar. You'll need to put in the username or email address with which you registered for the site, or with which we registered you for the site. So, for example, mine is Evan Donovan. So I can put that in, and then I'll click the Email New Password button. And then it will prompt me to let me know that it has sent more information to the email address that is associated with my account. So just a few notes quickly. Your username or email address should be in the email that we sent out to you when you initially signed up, or when we signed you up as a site to access the internship portal. If you're unsure of what that email address or username was, you can email info@cityvisioninternships.org and we can tell you what that is. Furthermore, you could also call us at 617-282-9798 extension 102 and let us know what password you want for your account. And that would be another way that we could reset the password if you prefer not to go through this web-based password reset process. Here's how you will log in to the Site Director portal, which will enable you to get to the list of candidates for internship opportunities with City Vision and potentially at your site. You'll start out on cityvisioninternships.org and then hover over the Host Intern menu and click on Site Director Portal. If you're not already logged in, which will be the case most of the time, then you'll be taken to a login screen. And on that login screen, you type in the username or email that is associated with your account, and then you type in the password that is associated with your account. So then you can click Login, and it will take you to a page that shows the basic information about your personal account. From there, you will want to go to the name of your organization under Manage Organizations, and so I click on that, and then there's a link to View City Vision Internship Applicants. So now this is a list of all the internship candidates that we have, and it has the top recommended applicants, the ones that we've had a screening interview with, at the top, sorted by the most recently applied, and then below that it has the rest that we didn't have an internship interview with here at City Vision, sorted by the most recently applied. And so you can scroll down and see who all is there. And you can also use the links at the top to page through the results. In this case, all the results showed up on the first page. So we also have categories that you can filter by on the side, such as working directly with youth or working directly with adults. So I could say I want to see only the people who are interested in working directly with youth. And then that filters down to a smaller list of people. In this case, 105 people. You can also click on Map These Results and it'll give you a map of where these people are located. If you're on cityvisioninternships.org and you're already logged in to christianvolunteering.org, then when you go to the Site Director portal, it'll take you directly to the page that lists the volunteer opportunities and has the link to view the City Vision internship applicants. I just wanted to show you that in case this screen ever comes up for you and you're uncertain as to why you didn't have to go through the other screen. So now from here I can click again and see the internship applicants, and now I'm going to show you how to get to the detailed record on a particular individual. So I have a test person in the system that I'm going to use so as not to give away the confidential information about one of our interns or potential interns. So I can go in here and you can see the basic contact information about this person. And then as you scroll down, you can see the requirements for the internship. You can see that they meet them. You can see their address. You can see their testimony and why they're interested in the program, their career goals, and various other information. And finally, the references with whom you could follow up if you wanted to get more information about them and their character and their previous experience. One of the references is from the pastor of the church, and one of them is from a previous employer. So from there, you can also, at the top, click Download Resume, and you can download the resume. And then it downloads it as a text file to your desktop. And so those are the main things that you can see from the record of an individual person. If you want to contact that person, you can use the email or the phone number that is listed in there. What you could also do alternatively is you could go to the resume profile link, and on the resume profile page you can click contact user, and then you can fill in a message to them on here and then click send. That is a method that will send an email to them, but personally I believe that just emailing them directly using the information on their record in the internship portal is probably easier. Finally, for this screencast, if you want to change your password once you're already logged in, you start on the organization management page, which is the first page that you will see when you log in, typically, and then you click reset password. And then that will take you to the page in which you can enter your username or email address, and you can go through the same process as I described previously about how to reset your password. As I said earlier, you could also contact us via phone and let us know what password you want, and we could reset the password for you ourselves that way if you found that easier. So thanks for listening, and that's all for this time. Next time I will be covering how to post additional job descriptions and how to add or edit users on your job descriptions. Thanks.